We're going to look at a method of factorising a quadratic expression where the coefficient of x squared isn't simply 1. Before we begin, the quadratic should be in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the x squared coefficient, in this case 8. B, the x coefficient, in this case 18. And c is simply the number on the end, in this case minus 5. Step 1 is to find a times c. Step 2 is to write down all the pairs of whole numbers which multiply to give minus 40, which we found in step 1. You'll always be able to change the sign to find a second set of numbers. Step 3. Choose the pair of numbers which sum to give b. b is the x term coefficient, and in this case it's plus 18. And always pay close attention to the sign of the coefficient. Step 4. We rewrite the original expression but split the x term up using these values. Step 5. Factorise the first pair of terms. Step 6. Rewrite the bracket and use it to factorise the second pair of terms. So for this to equal this, I need a plus 5. And you can see if I do expand this out, I would get 20x minus 5. So it was the plus 5 that I needed. Finally, step 7. Write out the bracket once, and next to it, write what is outside the brackets. And it's this and this that is outside the brackets. And we're done. As a final check, you should always expand these brackets to ensure you get back to the original expression.